Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be changing the standard DRLs on this Transit Custom to these awesome AUTOBEAM yellow ones. So in the box from AUTOBEAM you'll get the two new LED modules and also this thermal gasket sealant. First things first, pop the bonnet. Then using a T30 locate the two screws holding the headlight in, one at the front and one is up towards the back. Then remove the plug from the back of the headlight. It's a bit finicky, kind of have to press back and pull. Then to remove the headlight, you sort of pull it upwards. And then just make sure to disconnect the wiring loom from this little clip, which I'll show here. So I'm just getting a nice safe surface to put the headlight down on instead of the hard tarmac. Don't want to ruin it. So then to remove the DRL module you need a T30 and there's just 3 screws holding it in. Excuse the carpet tape on the headlight, I need a new cap. Then make sure to disconnect the DRL. Then using a T8 remove the 2 screws on the back of the module. These had probably never been off, so they were really tight. So I'm getting the thermal gasket sealant ready. There's an alcohol wipe if you want to remove any old residue. Then carefully remove the module itself to then replace it with the new yellow ones from AUTOBEAM. Then the idea is you're supposed to put this thermal gasket on the opposite side to where the LEDs sit, which I'll be able to show you how it was from factory. There's these 2 grey patches on the opposite side. So I'm just applying a little sort of pea-size amount to both those areas. And then it comes with this little spatula thing that you can sort of smooth it out with. Hopefully I did this correctly. So that's how it looks. Then it's just a matter of doing everything in reverse. So then pop the board back on and replace the T8 screws. Then reconnect the module and then replace the 3 T20 screws. So reconnect the wiring loom back into the back of the headlight. Then the headlight you have to press down and you'll hear it clicking. Now let's test them out. I then did a happy, excited jog to the camera to see what they look like. So that is before with the standard, and here's the new yellow AUTOBEAM one, which looks so cool. Let's get a few nice shots. I absolutely love this yellow style on the grey. I think it suits it so well. It gives it that kind of Euro look. I've seen a few modern vehicles with them as an option now, and I just think it looks so good. It looks a little bit meaner, a bit more sporty. Really happy with it. Such an easy mod to do, and I also have a discount code for anyone who would like to purchase these. Thanks all for watching. See you again soon. Bye.